Oh, it's so good to be free. Your rules don't apply to me, no.
I don't think so Linda Sun needs any introduction. I have seen many fitness YouTubers and I really admire them. I have learned about working out without spending a dime. I have felt confident in crowd of so many men at gym because of their teaching. But relationship with food has never been easy for me. And Linda is one of the few YouTubers who I can relate to. She is transparent, she is amazing. She showed her fear. She makes me cry, laugh at the same time. I just feel I'm not alone in this. I'm not the only one who juggles with food and so many fears in the mind of food.
I've got a cold heart, cold hands. I make you wanna be where I am. And if you only knew my plans.
I can't thank her enough for the amazing recipe of pancakes. One of the meal I have struggled most is with breakfast.
And the magic is happening. Yeah, I dropped some little pancakes over here and there.
I told you to shut your damn mouth when you said you weren't good enough. Said you weren't worth.
Often to lose weight, I just ate fruits for breakfast or just boiled egg. Yes, just one boiled egg for breakfast. And other times I try to completely forget about breakfast and skip it entirely. Why? Because I want to lose 5 kgs in 1 month. Yay!
I forgot the chocolate chip, sorry.
You've got your baggage and I've got mine, so what?
I want to lose weight fast, have perfect summer body, look good, look lean, thin, slim, feel confident, feel pretty. Now I do eat breakfast, but I don't eat till I am full. But with Linda's pancake, I have feel full after a long time. I heard this quote somewhere, all happiness depends on a luxury breakfast. And I couldn't agree more. One of my favorites Linda video is a week of eating are fearful. Emotions flooded when I saw that video. I wish I can live without fear of eating what I want. I wish I can eat sweets. I wish I can eat whole bite of sweet. I wish I don't have to choose between chocolates. I wish I can eat bread, peanut butter, Nutella, and list will go. Linda is incredible to show her fears and overcoming her fears. It's hard, I know, it's very hard. To look back at your old photos when you were thin, or to look back and see yourself when you were fat. Both ways, your heart gets emotional, filled with fears of not being that person anymore or being that person again. Another thing I like about her is how free she is. She never tries to categorize food. Good carb, bad carb, lean protein, sugar, no sugar. I know how much hard work and determination is required to reach that level of awesomeness. I love her. She never says go on calorie deficient, get abs, get toned, lose weight, do workout for 3 hours, 4 hours and only drink green juice. I'm not sure if she likes green juice. It's hard to let your fear go. It's hard to face them. It's hard to look in mirror and not be judgmental about your body. The fear of facing your fears is harder to overcome than the fear itself. But she taught me how beautiful and strong my body is and I should not hate it. Life is a gift, a precious gift, a wonderful gift and hating the gift is not okay. Hating your body is not okay. Being jealous of others of having nice body is not okay. I used to hate seeing girls eat anything and not gaining 10 grams and I sitting, drinking water and gained 10 pounds. But now I think it's stupid, it's wrong, it's not healthy. Here I am doing 3 hours of workout, eating only leaves and still my thoughts are so unhealthy. I know jealousy is okay, it's human emotion, but hating someone for what is given by God is not okay. Which also means hating my body which is given by God is also not okay either. Nina taught me to love myself, my mental well-being. It's okay to enjoy, eat what you desire and not feel guilty about it. Nutrients, not nutrients, everything is okay. Moments are lived and cherished forever. Linda taught me working out is not about losing weight or getting abs or butt. It's much more than that. It's about feeling confident in your own skin, empowering, learning, knowing, sweating, enjoying, and having fun. I have done cardio straight for 3 hours for 6 days in a week because I want to grind, lose weight as fast as possible, not knowing what is good or bad, not knowing what I enjoy. I tried weights, strength training. I enjoyed. I gained weight because of lifting weights. I got toned, but I gained weight. People noticed. I noticed. I stopped and went back to cardio. I felt strong, but I didn't want to feel strong. I want to feel thin, weak, because these are beauty standards for girls. And I let them take over me. Life is tough. There are fears, rejection, acceptance, love, hate. It's okay to fail. It's okay to give up. It's okay to try. It's okay to not knowing anything. It's okay to feel lost sometimes. Everything will make sense someday. So for now, laugh at your mistakes, smile through the fears, and keep reminding yourself that everything really does happen for a reason. My happiness doesn't and should not depend upon how much I weigh, how many abs I have. Love your life, live your life, trust your body, work towards it. You have one body and also one life. Be happy, be sad, spread love, spread happiness, hate less, challenge your fear. Don't stress on what others say. Don't wait for everything to be perfect before you decide to enjoy your life. If I lose weight, I will buy that black dress. When I lose weight, I will eat pizza. When I reach my weight loss goal, I will go to that party. It is good to reward yourself, but there is no final destination. Fitness is a journey. Enjoy every bit of it. Buy a black dress now and buy later. Eat pizza now and eat it later. Go to that party now and go later. Enjoy every moment, because what you feel in that particular moment, you might not feel afterwards. There is no perfect way. There is no perfect moment, perfect time. You have to make perfect for yourself. You have to learn how to live, laugh, and love yourself during bad times and good times. Loving yourself is hardest form of love. Self-love doesn't mean going to fancy spas, taking a day off. Self-love is loving yourself when you are hating every bit of you. Loving yourself even when society says you are not worthy. Giving yourself warmth you need. Appreciate yourself. Appreciate your existence. I never understood beauty standards completely, and now I choose not to understand them. Thin, fair, tall, cute, let's together break these beauty standards. These beauty standards are not even standards. They are fashion, which comes and goes. You are much more than that. And always remember, every creation of God is beautiful in its own way.